morning from Cabo San Lucas. So we are about to get a water taxi over to the marina where we have our shore excursion. We are to meet in the Horizons dining room, and then we're gonna get the water taxi over there, the water shuttle. But we are actually docked right outside. We can see the Rio Baja, California, where we stayed last year for our 15th wedding anniversary. So I'll have to flip that around so y'all can see. So you can see the very left white building is Rio Baja, California. Rio Santa Fe is the tan building in the middle, and then after that is the Rio. on the Explore Cabo tequila and taco tasting. And we started off in Cabo San Lucas, and we are here exploring the town square in Cabo, in San Jose Del Cabo. We have actually stayed in San Jose Del Cabo previously, back in 2020 when we stayed at Barcelo Gran Faro. Be sure to check out that video. But right now we just are kind of walking through before we head to our tequila and taco tasting. So don't forget to join us. See y'all later.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that is not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, now I'll find you in my dreams. My heart rages around like an ocean in my head. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not.
So welcome everybody, my name is Jorge Cuervo. I do tequila tastings here in my restaurant. So with you, I cannot do a whole tequila tasting class because this is a very short stop. But in this time that we have together, I'm going to try to at least tell you the basics of tequila. Because the purpose of my classes is that tourists don't get scammed when they buy tequila. Are you all from America? All of you? Yes? Everybody's from America? So tell me guys, do you drink tequila in America? No. No? Yes. Not good? Ah. No. Let me tell you, years ago I would agree with you, but that everybody repeat after me. Arriba. Abajo. Al centro. Para adentro.